Did you know there's a humble-looking root growing quietly in the mountains of East Asia that has been used for centuries to boost energy, calm the mind, and support overall vitality? It's not ginseng, but it's known as the poor man's ginseng for a reason. Dangshen, commonly known as Codonopsis pilosula or poor man's ginseng, is a revered herb in traditional Chinese medicine known for its adaptogenic immune-boosting and energy-enhancing properties. Often used as a gentler alternative to ginseng, Dangshen is celebrated for its ability to support overall vitality and resilience against physical and mental stress.
So, what makes Dangshen so special? Let's dive into its nutritional and bioactive compounds, proven health benefits, traditional medicinal uses, and how you can use it safely. And finally, discover a modern herbal solution that harnesses the power of Dangshen with Naturem.
Let's begin by exploring the nutritional and bioactive compounds found in Dangshen, the key drivers behind its powerful effects. Dangshen contains a variety of bioactive compounds responsible for its health benefits. Polysaccharides enhance immune function and support overall health. Saponins contribute to its adaptogenic and anti-inflammatory effects. Flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage. Alkaloids may offer neuroprotective and anti-fatigue properties. These compounds work synergistically to deliver a wide range of health benefits.
These compounds don't just exist in theory, they translate into real, powerful benefits for your body. Let's explore them, one by one. In traditional Chinese medicine, Dangshen is valued for its ability to soothe the lungs, reduce phlegm, and relieve symptoms of bronchitis, asthma, and chronic respiratory conditions such as tuberculosis and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Its active compounds help relax bronchial muscles and inhibit endogenous secretions that cause bronchial spasms. Dangshen, when combined with licorice root, is traditionally used to improve breast milk production and enhance its quality. It also helps in hormone regulation and blood replenishment, supporting overall postpartum recovery. Dangshen helps maintain balanced blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with prediabetes or diabetes. It aids in reducing symptoms and preventing complications. The saponins in Dangshen inhibit bacterial protein synthesis, providing a natural anti-inflammatory effect. This helps reduce inflammation and protect the body from bacterial infections. Dangshen helps protect liver cells and supports recovery from damage caused by alcohol, toxins, or chronic liver diseases. It promotes cellular repair and improves liver function. Dangshen, often combined with ginkgo, enhances cognitive function, improves memory, and reduces mental fatigue by promoting blood circulation to the brain. Rich in antioxidants, Dangshen helps slow the aging process, reduce wrinkles, and improve skin elasticity. It also strengthens hair and promotes a healthy glow. Dangshen stimulates the production of interferons, boosting immune response and helping the body fight off viruses and illness. Dangshen protects the gastric lining, prevents ulcers, and promotes healing of the digestive tract. It also eases symptoms like nausea and diarrhea.
While modern science confirms many of these benefits, Dangshen's role in traditional Chinese medicine is even more profound. In TCM, Dangshen is often included in herbal formulas to tonify the spleen and lungs, strengthen qi, support recovery after illness or surgery, improve blood circulation, relieve chronic fatigue and stress-related symptoms.
So, how can you actually use Dangshen in daily life? Dangshen can be used in many ways. In teas, simmer dried Dangshen in hot water to create a nourishing tea. In soups, add to soups and broths for added health benefits. As supplements, take in capsule or tincture form for targeted therapeutic effects. In herbal formulas, often combined with other herbs in traditional TCM blends.
Like any herb, Dangshen should be used wisely. Here are a few important precautions you should know. Dosage matters. Overconsumption, especially beyond 30 to 60 grams daily, may cause chest pain, sore throat, dizziness, or confusion. Pregnancy and breastfeeding, not recommended due to lack of safety data. Blood clotting disorders, avoid use with anticoagulants like aspirin or warfarin. Pre-surgery, discontinue at least 2 weeks before any operation. GERD may reduce stomach acid and cause digestive imbalance. IBD may worsen symptoms like constipation or bowel obstruction.
Looking for a convenient way to experience the power of Dangshen, especially for your throat and lungs? Naturem cough-free lozenges are thoughtfully designed to provide natural relief from persistent coughs and throat discomfort, helping to restore your respiratory health and overall well-being. Formulated with 14 potent medicinal herbs and essential oils including ginger extract, Folium Perilli, and Dangshen cough-free delivers anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and soothing effects for fast-acting relief. Discover the power of traditional wisdom in a modern form with Naturem. For more information, visit our website or follow us for more herbal insights.
Don't forget to subscribe for more daily wellness tips.